This crispy honey mustard babycorn is sweet and salty with a hint of spiciness. So let's see how to make it. For the batter, I am using 5 tablespoons of flour, salt to taste and crushed pepper along with some water. Consistency of the batter should not be runny. For the sauce, I am mixing 3 tablespoons of tomato sauce, 1 tablespoon of kasundi or mustard sauce, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, and 1 tablespoon of honey. I am diluting the mixture with some water, not too much. I've cut the babycorn into small pieces and I'm using around 250 grams of it. I have dipped the babycorn pieces into the batter and then I'm frying it on medium flame until golden brown in color. Now on medium flame, I am adding 1 tablespoon of oil in a kadhai and I am frying 7 cloves of garlic in it. For vegetables, I am using carrot, capsicum, and some onions. I am adding a splash of water to soften the veggies a bit, and then I am adding the fried babycorn along with the sauce. And now just toss and serve. And there you go. The crispy honey mustard babycorn is ready.